Hi, what's up YouTube? Welcome back to another video. In today's video I'll be doing a Never Have I Ever alone edition. I'll be doing this by myself. I want to do videos like this with other people, but I don't have anyone to do the videos with, so I'm just gonna do them. The time right now is 2:06 a.m. in the after 12 time. I was feeling inspired to do more videos because today somebody that I know, a friend of mine, told me that they're watching all of my videos and they really like them and I should keep doing it and I should be more consistent. And I realized I should be more consistent, you know. And I'm waiting to do that perfect video all the time and it's not happening. So I'm just gonna do more videos and try to go with try to go with quantity. And even though sometimes I think videos like these, me sitting down and talking, is not gonna be entertaining, but people really like the videos like these, you know. So I'm gonna do a Never Have I Ever right now by myself. I'm gonna Google some questions and answer them. So I'm on Google. I'm gonna do like 30 questions very quickly, very quickly. So the first question: Never have I ever cheated on a partner? Yes. I was young, I had 2 girlfriends at one point. I was out here. I was a young man doing young man things, cheating and shit. I'm sorry. It is what it is. I grew past that now. I'm not that guy no more. I don't cheat. If I want to be single, I just stay single and I be honest. Yo, I don't want a relationship. If I don't want a relationship, and I do that, you know? Yeah. So that's the way I'm going about it now. Never have I ever gone skinny dipping. Skinny dipping is when you jump in the water with no clothes on. No, I've never been skinny dipping. Sounds fun though. I do it with somebody's daughter. That would be fun. With somebody's daughter. Ooh. Never have I ever fake sick from work. No, I never had a job, so yeah. Never have I ever cheated on a test. No, I'm not a cheater. I don't cheat on tests. If I'm gonna get it, if I'm gonna fail the test, then I fail the test. And I was good at school. I was very good at school. I got 9 subjects, and I was a very smart guy. I never really cheated on tests. I feel like that was against my morals. Cheating on tests, no. Never have ever marched in a protest. No, that doesn't really happen in Jamaica. Never have I ever overdrawn my bank account. No, I've never done that. I've never overdrawn my bank account. Never have I ever eaten someone else's lunch from the fridge. Nope, never done that either. Never have I ever played strip poker. Strip poker is like strip trap or cards or anything like that. No, I've never done that. But it sounds fun though. I might try it sometime. Never have I ever smoked a joint. Yes, I've smoked a few joints in my life, man. It's not my thing. Smoking is not my thing. Some things are just for other people and I just leave smoking to the smokers. I'm not a smoker, okay? But shout out to all the smokers though. Keep doing what you're doing, bro. Never have I ever peed in a pool. Yes, I used to pee in pools when I was younger. Kids, I don't recommend peeing in pools. That's nasty and not good for the other people swimming in the pool. Alright? So don't pee in pools. That's that. Number 11. Never have I ever tried hard drugs. Nope. Never done any drugs. Not even Molly. I see some people be popping their Molly and shit. Nah, that's not for me. You can pop your Molly if you want to pop your Molly. But that's not for me, okay? I don't be doing drugs. So I've never done no drugs. Only drugs that I've ever done is probably like smoke a little weed, a little bit. And it's not for me. So no to drugs. Kids, say no to drugs, kids. Yeah, that's that. Never have I ever fallen asleep in public. No, I've never fallen asleep in public. Never have I ever fallen asleep at work. Nope, I never fallen asleep at work. Never have I ever lied on a resume. Nope, I've never wrote a resume. I've never wrote a resume. Never have I ever drunk dialed my ex. Nah, I would never drunk dial none of those exes. Nope. Never drunk the other ex. I'm a lightweight, by the way. I don't really be drinking like that. So if I drink like 1 Magnum, I'm nice. After 1 Magnum, so I just stop drinking after 1 Magnum. So I don't be drinking like that. Yeah. So I've never drunk Dial X. That's number 15. Number 16. Never have I ever had a one night stand. Yeah, I've had a few of those. You know, as a young man, I'm getting a little bit older now, but as a young man, I've had a few one night stands. Yeah. Was it fun? It was alright. It was alright in the moment, you know. It was just a young man doing young man things back then, but I'm an old man now. I don't really be doing one night stands no more, you know. Never have I ever read a partner's text message. Nah, none of that shit, you know, because I was raised by gangsters and galleys, and that is against the law to greed to search an ex-girl phone. But if you searching a girl phone, bro, something wrong with you, bro. Stop searching girls' phones, bro. Respect yourself and leave her if you want to leave her. Don't be searching her phone, bro. Have some self-respect. Know your worth, sir. You're a king. Don't search phones, okay? Yeah. Number 18. Never have I ever read a partner's email. No, nothing like that. Never have I ever been hospitalized for something other than giving birth or being born. No. Fortunately for me, I've never been hospitalized, and I thank the Lord that that has not happened to me, and I pray to the Lord that that doesn't happen to me. Thank you. Yeah. Never have I ever sung in public. Yeah, I sung in public all the time. I can sing for you right now. I'd bring you flowers in the pouring rain, living without you. I finally found out where I went wrong. Yeah. Kind of late, my throat kind of. Yeah, but maybe I'll sing for you some other time. Never have I ever played a musical instrument. No, but I'd like to learn how to play the guitar. You know, so that I can serenade you. You know what I mean? Whatever. Never have I ever gone snowboarding. No, I've never been snowboarding, but it sounds fun. I'd like to do that sometime. I'd like to skydive too. That would be nice. Never ever gone skiing. No, I've never done that. Never have I ever traveled to another country. Nope. I've never traveled to another country, but maybe this year. Maybe this year, who knows? We can go to Mexico. Ooh. Or another country, or maybe next year. I'll be traveling soon. I'll be vlogging it, and I'll be taking you along with me. So stay tuned for that. Like, comment, subscribe. Come along with me on the journey. Alright? Yeah. Never have I ever learned a foreign language. Nope. Never have I ever sent a stranger a drink. That sounds romantic. Hey, can you get the lady a drink for me? Can you give the lady a margarita? That sounds like something that I would do. I've never done that though, but sounds fun. Never have I ever accepted a drink from a stranger. No. Never have I ever lied about my income. Yeah, I lie about my income all the time, telling people that it's less than what it is because people be in my business and I don't really like that. So yeah. Never have I ever gotten busy in a public place. Never have I gotten busy in a public place. Well, a car, if the car is outside, you're in public. So I would say yes. I've gotten busy in a few public places. Yeah. Never have I ever been nude in public. No. Nude, fully nude, no. I've never been nude in public. Never have I ever dated or hooked up with someone 10 years older than me. 10 years older? No, I don't think so. I don't think so. Never have I ever dated or hooked up with someone 5 years younger than me. Yes, I think I've done that. You know, I'm an old man right now. I think I've been with like some 18-year-old, 19-year-old bad little vibe. Yeah, I've been there. Yeah, never have I ever text or taken a call at a movie. No, can't recall. So that's what, 35. 35 now. Never have I convinced a friend to dump a partner. Convince a friend to dump a partner? No, I don't think so. Never have I ever been someone else's alibi. Like, alibi is when you know what alibi is. No, I've never been someone else's alibi. And that's it for the questions. There's a lot of questions here. I just give it 35 real quick. It's real short though. It looks short, but it's not. It seems like it was gonna be long, but that's it for the video. I'm gonna be doing more videos right now. The money is calling me, as you can see on my shirt, so I gotta go see what she needs. It's kind of late right now. I wonder what she wants, but it's whatever. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe. Thanks for watching. Thanks for all of the love and support. I can feel it. I can see it. Yes, I'm going up. I'm gonna start posting. Like, I'm gonna try to post a video every single day, even if it's just one of these videos where I'm just talking to the camera. A lot of people like the videos where I'm just talking to the camera. You know, they say it's funny. They say I'm a funny guy. I don't think I'm a funny guy, but some people be saying I am a funny guy. So I'm gonna do more videos like these. I never have ever challenge would have been better with somebody, but I've been going to the gym. I never have ever challenge would have been better with somebody else, but don't have anybody to do the videos with, so I'll just do them by myself for right now, you know. Yeah, like, comment, subscribe, show some love in the comment. Let me know what if you have done some of these things. Let me know in the comments which one of them you have done and yeah, what happened and all of that. Thank you. Peace and love every time. Love and peace to all.